The coronavirus pandemic and the subsequent lockdown has brought disruption to our daily lives. Our factories have been shut following the lockdown stipulated by the government. Now that we are resuming operations, our plants are adapting to the new normal and are working to ensure that hygiene and safety standards are maintained. Sanitization measures have been reinforced to protect employees in the plant premises. All plant locations, workstations, all vehicles are regularly cleaned and disinfected. All indoor office areas are mopped with disinfectant containing 1% sodium hypochlorite or phenolic disinfectants. COVID-19 related safety communication is displayed at prominent locations. Being a company which has always cherished innovations to help better the lives of millions of Indians, a part of the organization's commitment is to care for the society. This has led us to tie up with the IIT Dharwad to produce face masks for local distribution. At the workplace, health and safety regulations are paramount to the well-being of the employees and the employer. Social distancing norms, thermal screening, and hand sanitization have become a way of life. Hand sanitizing stations are installed in factory premises and near high contact surfaces. Pest control activity, floor wiping, regular sanitization of touch points, handles, handrails are done continuously. A hygienic environment within the office keeps the employees safe. Safe work spacing is encouraged between co-workers. Remote communication solutions are used whenever possible. Meetings are done generally through video conferencing. Under the tree meetings are also a regular feature at our plants. The Arogya Setu app has been made compulsory for all employees. At the canteen, the furniture is spatially rearranged to ensure physical distancing is maintained. Food is served by the canteen staff wearing protective gear. Employees are encouraged to bring food from home. All entry points, including material entry, are sanitized to ensure completely safe environment. Special attention is given to the transporters when they come to drop the material or to pick up the machines. Special care is also given to sanitize the machines which are being dispatched. Together, we stand united to fight COVID-19. टाटा हिटाची, चलो देश बनाए।